people, welcome back. We're doing another Lookfantastic unboxing. And bear with me because it's so hot. It's so hot. The heat wave in the UK is insane. So I'm melting my face off. By the end of this video, however short it is, I'm gonna be melting. And also, how cute is this little shirt from Primark? It has Bambi stitched on. It's just so adorable. I'm obsessed. Yes, they have like the cutest shirts right now. This month's box is this one. So it's very bronzy and like sultry looking. So I feel like it's gonna be like a beach-packed bundle of things so you can wear for your bronzed self. I don't know, I just feel like it. Let's open it up. Don't forget, you can obviously subscribe to this box as a one-off or as a monthly subscription. If I'm not mistaken, you can buy 3 months, 6 months, and then 12 months. And the higher up you go, the cheaper each box gets, of course. The link to buy it or subscribe to it is down in the description box. Komorebi, sunlight filtering through the trees, the interplay between light and leaves. That's beautiful, actually. I don't know what, like, sort of... Is this a language or just a word I've never heard of? But I think that's really just a cute concept, really. And we have, of course, this month's L, and we have Amanda Seyfried on the cover. Let's open it up! Oh, I'm stirring up shit already. So first we have the First Aid Beauty Face Cleanser, Pure Skin Face Cleanser with Fab Antioxidant Booster, removes surface oils, makeup, dirt, and grime, safe for sensitive skin. I love First Aid Beauty as a brand in general because I do think they make such excellent products for sensitive skin that are so effective and yet fun to use. Sometimes products that are targeted to sensitive skin can be a bit boring to use. I don't know if you feel that way, but I definitely do. And I feel like they do a good job of like stepping it up a little bit. I've never actually tried this cleanser, so this will be a fun one. It has no scent whatsoever, and it's most likely sulfate free because they don't do sulfate things. Yeah, it is sulfate free. It's kind of like a creamy cleanser, so it does say it removes makeup, but I wouldn't necessarily use this as a makeup remover, I think, because I tend to use oils and balms that kind of melt everything off. I think they're better, but I would use this as like a second cleanse or a morning cleanse. It seems very gentle just from like swatching it on my hand. Of course, I'd have to add water, but it seems very, very gentle. And yeah, definitely something I'm gonna give a go because I love the brand and I actually believe that they like make the best thing for sensitive skin. And then we have another little cleanser, which I feel like it's a little bit weird to have two cleansers in the same box, but you know, I just feel like it would be better to have more other type of products, if that makes sense. But in any case, we have the SVR Sebia Clear Purifying and Exfoliating Soap-Free Cleanser. So this is also sulfate-free. And again, like, I feel like it's weird just because if you enjoy this, then you're probably not gonna enjoy this, and vice versa. You can definitely enjoy both like different times of the year and different times of the day even, but it's just a little weird. So this is a gel cleanser. It's completely transparent. It smells like fresh. It does lather up a little bit, but it's very, very slight. So I do feel like this would be probably a good option for people with oily and acne-prone skin, but that still have sensitive skin and dryish skin. Then we have the Filorga UV Bronze Après Soleil After Sun. This is a Nutri-Soothing Tan Booster Gel and it's for face and body. This is an after sun that will pretty much, like it said in the bottle, boost your tan. I love using these things because they're not technically self-tanners. I like gradual tanners at best. I don't do like regular self-tanning because I'm really shit at it. No, this smells amazing. I really like that. It has like a golden consistency, super lightweight. It's sort of a gel that melts away a little bit, sort of like a gel serum. So it does sink into skin quite fast and it leaves like a luminous skin behind. And it does smell like the beach. The scent gets a little bit stronger as it settles. This will be something I'm definitely gonna take on vacation. Probably not gonna last long, but I'm definitely gonna apply this mostly on my legs because I feel like my legs are always whiter than the rest of my body, and they also tend to tan really, really slowly, and then the tan fades away so much quicker than the rest of the body. It's so weird. I don't know why that happens. Does that happen to you? Is that like a common thing? We have the Kérastase Reflection Bang Chromatique Multi-Protecting Shampoo. This is for color treated or highlighted hair. I've always loved Kérastase, and I've always loved actually the Chroma range. and I love the scent. It's just, it takes me back because my aunt used to use this and I used to always like steal it from her bathroom. It was the best. However, this does have sulfates and it does have silicones, so I'm not gonna wear this. I'm gonna gift it away just because I've started not using silicones in my hair because it's so thick. It does really so much better without silicones. And I don't want to like go into a rant because I feel like I've done this already, but just like in short, because a lot of people are confused about the role silicones play. So silicones are not a bad ingredient at all. They're really good at protecting your hair from like external aggressions and also from heat. They form a barrier, so they kind of also protect your hair when you kind of moisturize it throughout the week. Because I only wash my hair once a week, I can't have the silicones kind of forming a barrier because otherwise the hair will just be really dry by the end of the week. If you do wash your hair every 2 days, every day, then using silicones should be no problem. And if you do use heat tools, then definitely silicones can be your ally. Just for me specifically, they're not that great. Just kind of prevent oils and everything that I put throughout the week to keep my hair shiny and hydrated to penetrate. So that's kind of like the sum up version. And also sulfates, I mean, I know some people love sulfates, and I feel like it also depends on your type of skin and your type of hair, but because I have scalp psoriasis and really dry hair, I try to avoid sulfates at all costs. And then we have the Lancer Omega Hydrating Oil, and it's this tiny little one. Oh, this oil is like really proper yellow. I don't think I've ever seen such a neon yellow for an oil. Let me see what this has. So this is a face oil, and it has a long list of oils, but the top ones would be grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, olive oil, sunflower, and a few more. It doesn't have much of a scent. It's mostly like a natural oil scent. This is really yellow. It's weird. Oh my god, this is like the lightest oil I've ever felt. So it's obviously an oil, but it has the touch of like a dry oil, if you know what I mean. So it sinks into skin fast as well, and it's so lightweight, gone by the time you massage it in. So this would be really good for those of you who are kind of thinking of buying an oil for the first time and you don't know what to expect. For people with oily skin that still want to buy into oils, this would be great as well. And finally, we have a highlighter. It's a free matic highlighter from the brand Deuce, and the shade is called Sparked Ray. Here it is. A really nice color, actually. I mean, when it comes to highlighters, I feel like I have everything already, but this actually looks like a nice color that I might not have exactly because it's a little muted, which I always like. Subtle but cute little highlighter, which I'm all about. I've been working towards more subtle highlighters every single day. I feel like the frosted look just doesn't do it for me anymore, but it looks like it's a part of the skin, like sort of like a glow from within. It's really gorgeous. I wasn't expecting that because, again, I just feel like I'm really fed up with highlighters. I feel like all the shades have been made, and now it's more about texture than anything else. This texture is really awesome, and the shade is also pretty unique because it is a champagne color, sort of beigey, but it also has a muted aspect to it that I really like. And that's pretty much it for this box. Oh my god, I'm already excited! For next month's box, there's a little sneak peek here, and it's a molten brown shower gel. And you guys know how crazy I am about molten brown shower gels. I'm absolutely crazy. They have the delicious rhubarb and rose scent here. I just love them. They make the best smelling shower gels. They're so refreshing and so good. I don't know. Oh, and it has some cute little destinations, summer destinations, so that you can take some inspiration if you're still booking your holidays. I actually have mine booked. I'm going with my family. This year's been really complicated because Miguel has changed jobs, so it's syncing up the vacation time has been really complicated, so I'm not going to go on any summer vacation with him, sadly. I am going with my fam. So we're going to the south of Portugal first, then by car we're going to Spain, and then we're coming back from Spain to the south of Portugal again for a few more days and then back. So it's going to be a lot of fun, hopefully. Also, like, road trip with my sister, which is hopefully it's going to be fun. Either I'll vlog it or I'll Instagram story it, which is fine either way. I'll let you know in the meantime, but thank you so much for watching me today. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to the channel for more. And that's pretty much it. I love you. Bye.